Alright everyone, in this one we're going to make an awesome rustic American flag out of just a few pieces of wood and some easy steps. We're going to make the flag 3 feet wide, and keeping to the correct proportions of American flags, we'll be cutting the stripes out of 1.5 inches of wood. I'm cutting 6 of the long stripes to 36 inches and then 7 of the stripes to about 21.5 inches long. I'm actually going to burn each of the pieces of wood to make it more rustic looking, as well as helping reinforce and seal the wood. For all of the color in this flag, I decided to use some colored wood stain from Minwax, and I absolutely loved how this came out transparent, but also tinted the wood the red, white, and blue colors. I made sure to wipe off any excess stain on the wood. For the union, I decided to cut this out of some scrap plywood, since I didn't want to use the strips of wood and have the border lines showing. I know most people won't have a laser cutter, so for this step you can simply use a stencil for the stars and spray paint the stars on, or even wood burn it by hand. Putting this together for the first time made me really excited for what the end product was going to look like. After arranging all of the stripes in the correct order, I flipped it over so that I could hold together all the pieces with some strips of wood nailed from the back. Now, this is definitely an optional step, but I'm going to be using a router V-bit with my Shapeoko CNC to carve out a navy anchor in the stripes. The flag looks great without this, but I really wanted to get some navy ties into this specific design. I taped down the stripes first with some painter's tape so that I could spray paint the carved edges and make the design pop a little bit more with some black color. And yes, I might have almost set the whole thing on fire during this, but I didn't, so let's just say that this worked out great. To where? And more fire. That's a wrap. This one came out absolutely great. I'm really proud of this piece, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you guys like this design, I'm actually doing a giveaway for one of these flags right now, and there's a link in the description below with details on how you could enter to win. Let me know what you guys think about this one, and as always, thanks again for watching, guys.